A Chemung County agency was recently awarded grant money to help expand their services and allow them to change locations. WENY's Isabel Garcia joins us now in the studio to explain how those funds will also help our community.
Logan, the Public Advocate's office is currently located in this small building on Madison Avenue in Elmira. As we learned earlier this week, the plan is to move the office into the Mohawk building on Lake Street, which is in need of renovations. That's where a portion of that grant funding will come into play.
Part of it is renovating the Mohawk building to allow for a bigger office space for us, and also to allow it to be handicap accessible, because currently anybody that can't get upstairs would have a difficult time meeting us in the office. So that was very important for me to be able to serve all of our clients.
The grant, which totals $834,000, will also allow the Public Advocate's office to expand staff.
The grant will allow us to hire one additional full-time attorney and a part-time secretary and a part-time investigator.
Chemung County Public Advocate John Brennan says adding more personnel is necessary, this due to upcoming changes in state standards for people who will be considered eligible for assigned counsel.
One of the reasons that we're able to get grant money to hire an additional attorney is because we're expected to have a higher caseload as a result of that. So being able to spread that to an additional attorney is going to hopefully bring down the number of actual cases each attorney has to deal with.
Brennan, who has been with the Public Advocate's office since 2006, says the current office is in a great location right near the courts and jail, but it's simply too small at this point. Location remained one of the driving forces in selecting the Mohawk building.
When we were looking for a new location for the office, we thought it was important to stay in the relatively same geographic area so that we could get to court at a moment's notice to be able to represent people.
County leaders told us earlier this week the Mohawk building renovation project is expected to be underway by next spring. That's the same time when the new state standards for eligibility to receive assigned counsel will also go into effect. For now, reporting in the studio, Isabel Garcia, WENY News.